Hello everyone, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI with Gops. Knowledge shared equal to knowledge squared. In this video, we are going to see how easily you can change the date format in the Power BI desktop. Let's get started. For this demo, I taken one dummy data from the Kaggle. Let me show the data and I will explain you what I am trying to say. This is one simple sales table. Okay. So where I have the invoice ID and the product name, sales quantity and those things. And we have three different dates: sales date, delivery date and order date. So this is the one which I am going to talk about. So the formats. This sales date is in one long format and delivery date is in short format, and the order date we have day with long date format, right? So if you want to convert all this date formats into single date format, which is a short date, okay. So in our example, we have only one table with a few columns. Okay. Let's suppose example in your live scenario, it may be multiple columns, multiple different tables with n number of date columns, but all are in a different way. But you want to format that means it's not that much easy to change each and everything by selecting the sales and then go to column tools and the changing in this way. So this is not that much easy work, right? See, this is in our example, this is just a one table and with only three columns. In live, it may be more than that also, right? In this case, how we are going to format all the columns in the same format type. So we are going to see that. So which is long date. To achieve this, we can achieve this in very easy way in one click. Okay. So let me show you. And for that, we need to go to model view. Okay. In this model view, we have the table, right? So in this, what we need to do, we need to select what and all columns you want to convert. So in our scenario, this is a sales date. Hold by holding the control button, and then I am selecting the order date, and then I am selecting the delivery date. Okay. So now you can see this three date columns is selected. Once it is selected, go to the properties section on the right hand side, and you can find the formatting option down. Okay. So in our scenario, it's only a date. So by default, the data type is selected as date. And here the format is date time format. Since here this is different formats in this columns are these columns are in different format. Here it is not reflecting anything, any format. If it is a only one column or all the columns are in same format, here it will reflect. But our scenario is different. So for that reason only we are going to change now, right? So by just clicking this drop down and you can just select the whatever format you want. So if you want to convert all the columns to short format, just select here. So it's done. Just one click and everything will change. So let me go back to data view and see whether it is changed or not. Yes, it's changed. It's too simple, right? So just we need to go to model view. We need to select curved columns, go to properties and another formatting section. Here you can change. So by this way you can easily change the formats in one shot. If there is a number of columns also, just you need to select that carefully and you can change everything in one shot. So this is the easiest way, and by this way we can save lots of time. In this way we can easily change the format of the multiple columns in one go. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please hit that like button to this video and share with your friends or whoever required this, and subscribe to channel and support me. Thank you.